presented several ways of greetings in France. As you will notice, the way of greetings mainly depends on two factors: the place where you come from as well as the relationship between the two people.
Welcome. Today we are going to discuss the gestural communications in French language as it happens in France. Gestural communication is an important aspect of communication in any language and in any culture. This reflects the cultural patterns, how we greet each other, in what way we communicate differently in different parts speaking the same language, and in this way we have to distinguish the people and their relationship and the area to which they belong to. For discussions on this, we have two experts from France who are native speakers and are teachers of French and are also experienced in different gestural communications of different parts of France. Welcome to our studio. We have Ms. Stéphane Amar and we have Mr. Vincent Polailo. They are going to tell us about the gestural communications through acting various scenes. Also, they will show us on the map of France to which area that particular situation, that particular gestural communication belongs to.
We will first start by the greetings, how to say hello, and also so in various situations which are social or geographical. And
so in order to start the program, first we are going to play in what ways people greet. So okay, as I understand that people in France, they mostly greet not only by shaking hands as we do in India, but they greet by kissing in different ways. Okay. Yes. So please tell us, or maybe you will mimic us, that how do you greet in different parts of France? In some parts maybe only 2 kisses will be required. And first of all, how do you kiss? Please show us. And then how many times you kiss depending upon the region of France.
Salut Tiffen. Tu vas bien?
Bah oui, ça va bien et toi?
T'as passé un super week-end?
Bah oui, tu m'étonnes. Il y a toute ma famille qui est venue à la maison.
Ah ouais? Et vous avez fait quoi?
Bah du coup samedi on est allé se balader au parc.
Ouais.
Et puis je les ai invités au restaurant.
Ok.
Donc là on a mangé un petit peu les plats typiques de Bordeaux quoi.
Ah c'est bien.
Bah ouais, tu m'étonnes, pour des Provençals.
Ah oui.
Pour des Provençals c'est super.
Belle découverte, oui, c'est sûr.
Voilà.
Ok, très bien. This was two French people, French friends, who are meeting each other for the first time of the day, and they were asking, as usual, how are you, what did you do, and what do you prefer, what did you enjoy the last weekend. So we just do 2 kisses in this case, because from this
same place.
We are from the same place, and we know the number of kisses we have to do when we are together. So this is how we kiss each other when we are friends. Very amicable way.
In a very friendly way.
Friendly way.
So to kiss in French, this way of kissing, we call it la bise. So now I will explain in French language what we have done. Donc tout d'abord nous nous sommes salués en nous faisant la bise. Nous en avons fait 2 parce que nous sommes tous les 2 de Bordeaux. Et donc on s'est demandé des nouvelles et puis la discussion s'est enchaînée sur qu'est-ce que tu as fait ce week-end. Donc moi je lui ai raconté que ma famille était venue et il m'a demandé si j'avais passé du bon temps. Voilà, c'est tout.
Okay, so this was, as you just now mentioned, if I understood it, that since both of you are from Bordeaux, so you kissed only twice when you met each other as friends, okay, and first time of the day, okay, like on the same day you have not met earlier, you have met for the first time on that day, and after 1 or 2 days, maybe after the weekend or something like that, okay, but when you meet for the first time of the day and you greet each other, you say salut. Salut is a friendly way of greeting, and while saying salut, you give 2 kisses, okay, touching cheek to cheek.
Yes.
Okay.
C'est ça.
Okay. So now, please tell us about some other ways also, because there are different ways, or maybe in Bordeaux also, if you have other ways.
Ça faisait longtemps que je t'ai pas vu.
Bah oui. Alors, tu vas bien?
Bah oui.
Excuse-moi.
T'as oublié encore.
Bah oui, non, mais tu sais, moi en Provence, on en fait que 3.
Ah oui, mais en Vendée, nous on a toujours fait 4, alors à chaque fois je me fais avoir. Hein.
Bon, on a fait cette 4e?
Ouais, allez. So now this was not 2 friends from the same area. This was 2 friends, but they know each other very well, but they are not from the same area. The first is from Vendée, which we can show on the map.
Yes.
Vendée is here, as you can see, and here we do 4 kisses. And the girl, Tiffaire, is from Provence, here, and here they do only 3 kisses. So that's why when we meet each other, we don't remember that we have not the same number of kisses. So there is quite a misunderstanding, and I kiss one more time than Tiffen. So we have to excuse and even do the first missing kisses just after. And then it goes the same way as with 2 friends, they know each other very well.
Voilà, donc ce qui vient de se passer, c'est une scène typique que vous pourrez rencontrer en France. Donc lorsque 2 amis qui ne sont pas du même endroit, alors ça peut être d'une région différente, mais aussi d'une ville différente, et que donc nous n'avons pas le même nombre de bises, eh bien on fait ce qu'on appelle une bise dans le vent. Comme ça, on appelle ça dans le vent, et donc là la personne se sent très mal. En général, si c'est en public, elle peut rougir, et pour rattraper un petit peu ce malaise, nous proposons de faire la 4e, ou voilà, cela peut être aussi un moyen de séduction entre un homme et une femme aussi. Voilà, et juste pour dire, donc entre régions différentes, on n'a pas forcément le même nombre de bises, mais dans la même région aussi. Par exemple, dans ma ville, on a fait 3. Mais si vous allez à 10 km plus loin, ça va être seulement 2. Donc tout ça est variable, ça peut dépendre donc non seulement de la situation géographique, mais aussi du milieu social duquel on vient. Parce que par exemple, on dit que chez les bourgeois, on en fait 2, alors qu'on a tendance à en faire plutôt 4 chez les gens populaires.
Okay, first of all, maybe that you can show us on the map Bordeaux also, where it was 2 kisses only. So Bordeaux is 2 kisses.
Yes.
North is 4 kisses. Okay, so North is 4 kisses. Bordeaux 2 kisses, and the 3 kisses you mentioned is
Arles.
Bouches-du-Rhône is the area, and Marseille is shown on that map. Okay, so there about that city when you say 3 kisses, and see the distance is approximately, let us say it will be about between Bordeaux and Marseille will be about say 600 kilometers, and between Bordeaux and North will be about 300 kilometers almost approximately. So it changes even at a distance of 300 kilometers. Such cultural patterns of kisses, they change even in 300 kilometers. Okay. sometimes when you kiss, and if you belong to two different areas and you are not sure to which area the other person belongs, then you meet and you give a kiss in air, because in your area you give 2 kisses, in the other person's area they give 3 kisses. So what the other person will do, the other person will wait for the 3 kiss, the other person will go for the 3 kiss, and that will be a kiss in the air. So sometimes that may be an embarrassing situation, or it depends how they tackle. Sometimes they decide to have a 3rd kiss or a 4th kiss depending upon the area, okay, because they understood that okay, this person is from the other region, okay. And also there may be one aspect that there is certainly some point, like for example, if between Bordeaux and Nantes it is 300 kilometers, but there is some point where it changes. Now that point, that border area where it will change, you may have a difference of kissing patterns between just 2 adjacent villages, and that may even be more funnier, because when people from 2 adjacent villages come from 2 different cultural greeting patterns, and when they meet, this situation might often come up. So that may be very interesting in the communication, because this may be happening sometimes on the daily basis when they go to the same market, but and they meet. Okay.